Would you like to learn business English so you could read formal letters or discuss business with your partners? Would you like to improve your formal English so you can read articles or discuss some social topics? Welcome to my channel. Hi, I'm Natalia. Would you like to be able to shop online using English? Would you like to be able to discuss discounts and refunds no matter whether you're an individual or a business owner? Then continue watching this video. A company either performs services and is known as a service company or sells goods and is known as a merchandising company. You purchase goods from merchandisers. When you choose an item on the website, you add it to the cart and then select the payment method. For example, if you're gonna buy clothes, you need to select color and size. Ensure to pay attention to shipping charges and the date of estimated delivery, taken goods. Sometimes there are discounts. For example, if you buy 2 items, you will get 2% off. A purchase discount or quantity discount is a reduction in the purchasing price. A quantity discount gives a reduction in price according to the volume of purchase. In other words, the larger the number of items purchased, the better the discount. When you receive the goods, you may be dissatisfied with them because they do not fit your size or the item is damaged, defective, or of inferior quality. In this case, you can return the goods to the seller within the return period and receive the refund. Dissatisfied, not happy. Damaged, not in a good condition. Defective, imperfect. Inferior quality, poor quality. Refund, a sum of money that is returned to you. The purchaser may choose to keep the goods if the seller is willing to grant an allowance from the purchase price. To grant, give. Allowance, deduction. Retailers often purchase merchandise on account from wholesalers. Retailers are people or businesses that sell goods to the public for use or consumption rather than for resale. Wholesalers are people or companies that sell goods in large quantities at low prices. If you're a retailer, you can receive purchase discounts. Purchase discounts are offered to customers for early payment of the balance due. They also indicate the length of time the purchaser must pay the full invoice price. For example, in the sales invoice, credit terms can be to 10 net 30. This means that a 2% cash discount may be taken on the invoice price if payment is made within 10 days of the invoice date, the discount period. Otherwise, the invoice price is due 30 days from the invoice date, due expected at a certain time. An invoice is a commercial document that records a transaction between a buyer and a seller. If goods or services were purchased on credit, the invoice usually specifies the terms of the deal and provides information on the available methods of payment. Retailers may also be dissatisfied with the merchandise if the goods do not meet the purchase's specifications. When the purchaser returns the goods to the seller, the transaction is known as a purchase return. If the purchaser chooses to keep the merchandise and the seller grants an allowance, the transaction is known as a purchase allowance. Specifications, descriptions of how something should be done. If your seller and a customer returns goods, you must decide whether to scrap, liquidate, refurbish, return to the seller, or return to stock. Scrap, remove. Liquidate, resell at a lower price. Refurbish, renovate, and redecorate. In Canada, some companies buy return, discontinued, and excess merchandise from retailers, distributors, and manufacturers and sell it to retailers across Canada at deep discounts. Discontinued, no longer available or produced, excess exceeding a desirable amount, at deep discounts greater than the usual reduction in price. Practice time. Complete the sentences using the words or expressions in the box. Answers. Cash discounts are often offered to customers for early payment of the balance due. Sales discounts are only applicable to sales made on credit. A sales discount results in a reduction in a selling price that a customer may or may not take advantage of. At the point of sale, it is not known if the customer will use the discount, but like sales returns, the potential reduction in revenue should be recognized at the time of sale. In the comments below, write how many right answers you have. Have you ever taken advantage of quantity discounts? Do you usually prefer to receive an allowance or refund when you are dissatisfied with the goods? Subscribe to my channel and press the like button below. Thank you. Bye-bye.